Barbie, habang tumatagal, mas nakakatakot ka na daw ng nakakatakot. Anong masasabi mo doon?
Alam mo, Ver?
Yes, Ver.
Sobrang saya ko na nakita namin.
Mas masaya ako na nandito ka. Kasama mo pa si Miss Eugene, di ba?
Oo. At para sa ating fellow graduates, hindi pa ito ang huli. Ito pala ang umpisa. At sana marami kayong natutunan sa Kontrabida Academy!
Ayun na nga! Umpisahan na nga natin yan! Palakpakan natin ang ating mga bida, Barbie Morteza and Eugene Domingo! Welcome back to your rightful place. In front of the stage, in front of the cameras, and in front of all the beautiful people here. Pero pwede ko po bang imbitahan lahat ng icons natin on stage, lahat po ng bumuo ng cast ng Kontrabida Academy for a legendary photo op with Barbie and Eugene. Gawin na natin iconic itong gabing ito. Samahan natin sila dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito, Miss Eugene, Miss Barbie. Sobrang iconic ng Manila Pen na nandito kayo, di ba? Sinama pa natin lahat ng mga iconic kontrabida natin. Sobrang
sila talaga ang dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng ganitong pelikula to honor our iconic kontrabidas.
Kontrabidas, hello po, madam. Good evening po. Parang ngayon lang ata ako natakot ng ganito. Hello. Ayan, mag-quick photo up po tayo with our kontrabidas. Everyone, raise your phones! Ngayon lang tumingin mo, palakpakan natin ang Kontrabida Academy! Palakpakan natin once again, Kontrabida Academy! Maraming salamat po for joining us tonight. Thank you so much for gracing this Manila Pen na ngayon nakatagal ko maraming bituin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng icons natin. Our legends, our new gen of Kontrabidas, maraming salamat. Palakpakan Kontrabida graduates! Thank you very much! Grabe, parang ngayon lang ata ako naluwa sa mga hindi ko gusto.
Kontrabida Academy, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. And thank you for being here with us tonight at the launch of Kontrabida Academy. Marami po nagtatanong kung autobiographical ba itong pelikulang to. Hindi po ito tungkol sa aking college life or high school life. Pero alam po kung tatanungin niyo po mga taga-Unitel Straight Shooters, ang aming pong production company na gumawa ng pumalakpak kayo! I would like to thank them, okay, for their patience. Okay? Behind the scenes, I have the most creative production team who are just as kontrabida as I am. So they're brilliant, relentless, creative, at palasagot. Okay? I would like to thank the following people for the concept of Kontrabida Academy, Alpha Hapon and Randolph Longjas. For the grading, Bare Bones. For the audio post, Wonder Collab Studio. Post-production house, Engine Room. Pumalakpak kayo. Our makeup artist, Erica Cruz. Our wonderful Costume designer, my God, pag nakita niyo po ang costume sa pelikula, J.Lo Conanan. Our location managers, Roda Navarro, Jackie Papica. Ang aming script continuity, na lagi ko napupuruhan, Vince Carl David. Production assistants, Pet Tantoco, Hermie Obejas, you're here with us tonight. Congratulations. Ito pa isa. Production manager. Sorry na, Diana Colon. Maraming salamat. My assistant directors. Yes, I have 3 assistant directors. Ganun po ako ka-low maintenance. Roy Calilong, Marinette Lusanta, Daphne Esplana. Our post-producers, Nolan Estacio and Rachel Suficiencia. Our casting director, Dana Simbre. Our musical director, my God, Teresa Barroso, did a wonderful, wonderful job. Oh my God, my editor. Ito talaga yung palagi kong ka-brainstorm sa lahat-lahat. Ike Veneracion, maraming salamat. Our production designer, Nika San Antonio. Ang ganda-ganda mo tonight, tumayo ka. Our director of photography, my God, Bel Cruz. Our associate producer, Gail Osorio. Ang aking mga line producers, lagi nagpapakalma sa akin, Noemi Peggy and Grace Kishas. And our producer, si Miss Madonna Tarayo. Siya po talaga ang nag-insist na gawin ko to ever since pre-pandemic pa lang. Hindi ko alam po bakit ako nilapitan niya pag narinig niya ang kontrabida. So Madonna Tarayo, maraming salamat sa iyo. Of course, I have to thank the writer, which also happens to be me. Yes, I wrote it, I directed it, I survived it. So palakpak naman dyan. Give me points for multitasking. Okay, sa cast naman, my God, hindi ba kayo na-amaze? Amazing cast. Okay, Miss Celia Rodriguez is here with us tonight. Ang daming kontrabida, tapos yung music pa kanina para magugunaw na yung mundo. I have to thank my 2 leading ladies, Miss Eugene Domingo. Miss Eugene Domingo, I cannot imagine my world, my life without you. I'm sure the world is thankful that you exist. Barbie Fortesa, my God, first time ko po siya makatrabaho, and I assure you, the art of film, television are in good hands with this girl, this woman. Maraming salamat, Barbie. And of course, our partners, Netflix. Grabe. Grabe kayo, hindi ko na-expect to. Maraming salamat, Netflix, mga sirs, Bene Mendoza, Luis Diogno, and Vito Lazantin. Seriously, maraming salamat po. Alam niyo po kasi, they believed in this project, in this story that's daring, different, and proudly Filipino. You gave us a chance to share it with the world. The world, my God, 273 countries, guys. 273 countries. And for that, sobra kong pasasalamat sa inyo. Alam niyo, wala na po na mas nakakatuwa pa para sa isang filmmaker na mapanood ng maraming tao kanyang pelikula. Thank you for making this film global. Lastly, kontrabida doesn't mean evil. Sometimes it just means you know your worth. You don't settle. You fight back. And sure, people will call you mataray, difficult, maarte. Yes, lahat ako na yan. But I say thank you because it means I never played small. And neither should you. So tonight, let's celebrate every kontrabida who dares to stand tall, demand more, and make noise. Okay? Enjoy Kontrabida Academy, and if anyone asks, isa ka bang kontrabida? Just say, kung kinakailangan. Maraming salamat, everybody. Good night.
Maraming salamat, Direk Chris Martin. ba tayo kung kinakailangan? At ngayon, kailangan natin yan. Thank you so much, sir, for that wonderful message. At gaya nga ng sabi niya, di ba? It takes a village to raise a kontrabida. Itong Kontrabida Academy natin, ang daming bumuo, napakaraming talento behind it. But it only takes one icon to shake the entire nation. But tonight, every one of you will face your final classes live, unscripted, and under the judgment of your own idols. In short, sabay-sabay tayong mahiya sa harap nila. Okay, wala tayong choice. So let's begin with our first subject for tonight, the one that immortalizes you as the ultimate kontrabida icon. Let's face it, no amount of lines, no number of slaps can ever save you if you don't have the look. In this academy, presence is power. And our first subject is the true barometer of a kontrabida's dominance. It's the Fashion 101, the strut of a kontrabida.